No matter where you live on campus, you'll be close to all the action. Classroom buildings and campus resources are never far away. Our data shows that simply living on campus makes you more likely to have a higher GPA and more likely to graduate. We are committed to student success both inside and outside the classroom. Although each residence hall is unique, there are a few elements that are common in every hall. Each building has live-in staff members to help you along your university journey. There are undergraduate students serving as resident assistants on each floor. Your RA is there to help you transition to college and support you during the year with floor events and individual connections. We also have graduate students serving as assistant hall directors and full-time master's level professional hall directors that live in the building with you. All these live-in staff members are here to support you. There is always someone available to assist any time of day. All of our buildings have several safety features. Entrance doors are on a card access system. Your access card will allow you to enter different parts of your assigned building. All living areas and shared community spaces have smoke or heat detectors. All bedrooms have fire retardant mattresses and drapes. All of our residence halls have sprinkler systems, and our fire systems are tested annually. These features support our commitment to well-maintained facilities. Now that we've covered some things that are in every residence hall, let's get a closer look at them individually to see what makes them unique. Welcome to Sunvilla Tower. Sunvilla is an 18-story, high-rise apartment building comprised of 2, 3, and 4-person apartments. Bedrooms in the 2 and 4-person apartments are shared, while 3-person apartments offer 1 private bedroom and 1 shared bedroom. As you enter the main lobby, you can interact with the front desk, operated 24 hours a day by full-time staff members as well as student workers. The front desk is where you can send and receive mail or packages, or check out sporting equipment, cleaning supplies, and kitchen equipment purchased by the building's hall council. You can also submit a work order or just have a question answered. The Sunvilla Computer Lab is located just off the main lobby. You'll have access to the computer lab 24 hours a day. If you have computing issues while you live on campus, contact the ResNet staff. Similar to the campus help desk, ResNet is a group of students and professional staff that can assist you with your computing needs. Unlike the campus help desk, ResNet is just for students that live on campus. Sunvilla features a gated courtyard to the east of the building accessible from the main lobby or rear parking lot. The courtyard is a great place to spend some time outside. Sunvilla features an indoor bicycle storage area accessible from the front parking lot. A ramp and stairs make for easy bike storage. Here in the lowest level of Sunvilla, you can find the laundry room. You can use the laundry room 24 hours a day. There's no need for coins as laundry is free. Just be sure to bring your own detergent and softener. Sunvilla also features Laundry Alert, an online system that will display which machines are in use and will even text you when your machine cycle ends. The second floor offers a great mezzanine space, one of the common areas for residents to gather. There is study space, a TV, a pool table, and a ping pong table. You can borrow the needed equipment to play from the front desk or use your own. There are 2 additional community spaces within Sunvilla, one on the 10th floor and one on the 19th. Keys for these spaces can be borrowed from the front desk. Each community space has a community kitchen equipped with a microwave, full refrigerator, and oven. The kitchen is a shared space, so please help us keep it clean and ready for your neighbors to use. There is also a TV, soft seating, and high top tables. The Sunvilla apartments vary in size and configuration based on the number of occupants, but all feature the same style of furniture. Living rooms have soft seating, a dining room table, coffee table, and entertainment stand. Additionally, there is a wall-mounted TV and Roku Ultra provided in every living room. Kitchens come equipped with a microwave, full refrigerator, and oven. There is also a pass-through door for our custodial staff to collect and dispose of your trash. In bedrooms, each student has a desk and chair, as well as a chest of drawers. The chest of drawers will fit under the bed if you'd like a little more floor space. There is a closet and a small bedside table with additional storage. Sunvilla features full, extra long-sized mattresses. Unlike our residence halls, the Sunvilla beds cannot be lofted or bunked. Each apartment has a bathroom with a sink, toilet, and shower. There is some additional storage shelving in the bathrooms. In the 4-person apartments, there are 2 bathrooms. Let's take a look at a 2-person apartment with 1 bedroom and 1 bathroom. Here is an example of a shared room in a 3-person apartment. And here is an example of a 3-person private space. 3-person units have 1 bathroom. Finally, let's take a look at a 4-person apartment. These 4-person units have 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. When connecting to the internet, you can either use the wireless network or an Ethernet connection. There are 2 Ethernet ports in each room. We recommend that you use the Ethernet port for gaming or high-quality streaming. We also have the MSU Home Device Network, which will allow you to connect wireless devices such as an Amazon Echo using a pre-shared key. We cut the cord and moved away from traditional cable. Students can watch TV on their computer, tablet, phone, or a TV by way of Roku. We recommend the Roku Ultra. You can stream over 80 channels using any internet-capable device while on campus. Your Philo account gives you 20 hours of TV recording time. If you have a favorite show that comes on while you're in class, set it to record and watch it later. The best part is that you and your roommate can watch 2 different shows at the same time on your individual Philo accounts. You will also have access to HBO Max through Philo. If you are looking to be involved while living on campus, consider joining Hall Council. Similar to student government, Hall Council is a great way to gain leadership experience. Each Hall Council holds events for the residents of their building during the year. They also purchase items that can be borrowed from the front desk. When you live on campus, you are a part of the larger Residence Hall Association student organization. Consider attending a meeting to have your voice heard, or go to one of their campus-wide events during the year. We are committed to creating communities where students can build and maintain connections with each other and the university. Finally, consider being a part of a living learning community. We have communities for students in similar majors, as well as for students with similar interests. Living learning communities are a wonderful way to enhance your already great decision to live on campus. We hope you enjoyed your tour. We look forward to seeing you soon.